Hey you, what's going on? Welcome to my channel. Are you looking for a repost reaction video about the best cover song in the world? If that is so, then this vlog is what you've been looking for and I'm gonna reshare it to you, right now. Hi, my name is Jason. I am a teacher, a vlogger, and a performance biker. First things first, let's have a super big shout out to you and to all of you guys who are relentlessly supporting my channel. Thank you very much for your support, guys. Having said that, let's jump into the vlog.
I need to check out her cover of Rolling in the Deep by Adele. So, I'm gonna stop talking. I'm gonna keep this intro nice and short. I'm really excited to finally hear this person's voice, and I'm gonna jump into my first time ever reaction to kztandingan.
Come on, my girl.
Rolling in the deep.
One thing I always love is when you get these artists doing cover songs and they put their own spin on it. They make it their own song. Where the cover song, where the original song, it seems so different, you wouldn't even know. This already feels like an original song. It doesn't feel like a cover. And immediately that's got me interested.
You had my heart inside of your hands, and you played it, you played it, you played, yeah,
Oh, I think I think I'm bitten off more than I can chew. Okay. KZ can sing. Wow. I did not see that coming.
Oh, starting in my heart, reaching a fever pitch and it's bringing me out the dark. Finally, I can see you crystal clear. Go ahead and sell me out and I'll lay your shit bare. See?
I'm sorry I'm pausing it so much. I don't know what the copyright rules are, and also, this is nuts! She completely changed the style. My voice is breaking! She completely changed the style of the song. This is completely different. It's like some funky jazz song now. What has happened? I think I'm in love.
Go ahead and sell me out and I'll lay your shit bare. See how I leave with every piece of you. Don't underestimate the things that I will do. There's a fire starting in my heart, reaching a fever pitch and it's bringing me out the dark. We could have had it all, rolling in the deep. Oh, you had my heart inside it, your hands, and you played it, you played it, you played it. We could have had it all, rolling in the deep. Oh, you had my heart inside it, your hands, and you played it to the beat. Check this out, ha.
The hell is this? What has happened? This is crazy. This is completely different. Completely different. I'm spitting everywhere. I did not expect this. But this is completely. I love this woman. I love this woman. I love this woman. I love her. Her attitude, her sass, the way she changed this song completely from Adele's original. I love her attitude. Coming out there with the funky, the confidence, the smile. Let me show you something. She's amazing. She's a firecracker. She is awesome. I'm in love. She's amazing.
And you played it to the beat. Check this out, ha. Mga pinaming malulupit na mga propeta, pilit yung pinakasa. Dala ko pinong kargada. Papakunahin lang na di ka na makagalaw sa kung masilitan. Hindi mo na matatagalin ng mga babala. Ito masimula, yo. Ha, parang sakit ako kumikirot. Binabalang ka magtunggali mo na o'y kumukulupat. Ngayon nantindihan man na ba? Malaking pagkakamali na ako pang binangga. Abangan ng mga kalata. Sa mga binitawan ko, naliriko. Di mo na makakagalaw.
What is going on?
Ng mga salita para di ka na makakagalaw. Katakatakan na napakalakas. Ang pinakamalapit na kanya katakutan. Pinakamalakas. Ladies and gentlemen.
What the fuck? This might be one of the most surprising videos I've ever listened to, ever. I never expected this. I never expected this.
Ladies and gentlemen. Throw yours open, every open door. Count your blessings, you find what you look for. Turn my soul into treasure gold. You pay me back in kind, you reap just what you sow. Oh, wake up, had it all.
This may be what this may be. She may be one of the best artists I've ever listened to. She literally came into this song, completely changed it, took Adele's and went like, fuck this, threw it out the window and just made her own completely new song. This is not rolling in the deep. This is her. This is all her. How can you call this a cover? She's rapping. She had like an auto-tune intro. She's got this crazy funky jazz in the back, and this is it. This is mind-blowing. My head is gonna explode. She, like I said, I'm in love. She is amazing. She is amazing. She is amazing. Her attitude, her sass, everything, her whole stage presence. I love it.
Wake up, had it all. You had my heart inside of your head, and you played it, you played it. We could have had it all. Rolling in the deep. You had my heart inside.
Guys, do you agree to the premise that this is the best cover song in the world? I would say that this is absolutely super top tier performance because it's way better than the original. Kindly share your thoughts with us by a super nice commentary, perhaps some constructive criticisms, and whatnot will be much appreciated. Kindly carve your thoughts at the comment section. I couldn't thank you more for your rich comments. And hey, if you're new here, kindly don't miss to super like this video. Click on that amazing subscribe button to help us grow this channel, and you might want to share this vlog with your friends. Thank you so very much for doing so. Thank you very much as well for supporting my growing channel. I deeply appreciate all your commendable support. I am very much honored. To God be the glory. Hallelujah. I'll be seeing you in my next video. Cheers.